Hello everyone, and welcome to today's equipment maintenance workshop. First up, greasing the entire machine. First, there are 10 grease points on both sides of the boom, 5 on each side, symmetrically placed. Make sure to grease each one. Second, don't forget the track tensioner. Remove this panel and you'll see the tensioning cylinder. This also needs regular greasing. Next is cleaning the air filter. If you're working in a dusty or dirty environment, it's best to clean it daily. Take out the filter, blow it clean with an air gun, and reinstall it. Then comes checking the coolant. Before starting each day, open the cap and check the fluid level. If it's below the visible range, top it up with 25C antifreeze until you can see the level. Finally, let's look at the hydraulic oil. The oil level must be between the two red marks on the dipstick. If it's low, add ISO 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. This is the oil fill port. Just remove the cap to add oil. Spending a few minutes each day on these steps will not only boost efficiency, but also extend your machine's life and keep your worksite safe.